Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Filmore.
Really?
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Guys, wake up! It's an emergency! What?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Will he dream to give a real race car a pit stop?
Pit stop?
Harder in the court! Seems like my mind has been...
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Miss Fritter's Racing School.
I'm sorry, sir. This is all my fault. I thought I didn't need help, but I do.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
He's gonna get you!
Correcto, hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
Tag, you're in.
What about thunder?
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow!
Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al rayo McQueen.
One, two, three. A winner. Who'll be jamming now?
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
I'm happy in the tornado in the trailer park.
I hereby dub the
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
He was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound the first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
stay as close as I can. Your suit will transmit your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but I...
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Kochirake, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Trying to help you as your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend.
your racing day.
Back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.